Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I have a close-up lens on. I'm out here in my grass blooming. Now I want to show you this. This is my favorite springtime flower. I'll show it to you from vertically right over the top. Yeah, it's windy today. This is a Lyreleaf Sage in the Salvia genus. See the shape of the leaves? Lyreleaf. Lyre is an old musical instrument. Here's a side shoot coming along. I love the color. I have so many of these. Let me show you what I mean by I have so many of them. You like the grass? I want to let it go before I mow so it can seed and replace the other weeds. Now this is my Lyreleaf pasture. See the reddish purplish tinge? And the leaves are a little shaped slightly different because these are so dense. See the leaf? I have so many of them. And we're getting into the shade. See how much I have? See the Lyreleaf? I love that color. I love that color. Now these are coming along. This is what they look like when they're getting ready to make a flower. And they're very crowded. And there's all kinds of little insects flying around looking for things to pollinate. Now these look scraggly. I love these. Final view, the prize. There's the leaf. See, it's a nice, you could make a salad from that. No, you don't want to eat it. No, you don't want to eat it. Lyreleaf Sage, my favorite springtime flower in my weed patch. Steve AB4L, just loving nature, saying see you in 73.